Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a lightweight yet powerful racket designed for players seeking a blend of power, control, and comfort. Made with titanium and graphite materials, this racket offers durability and strength while maintaining a lightweight frame, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate players looking to enhance their game. With an oversized head size of 115 square inches, the T.S6 provides a larger sweet spot, allowing for greater forgiveness on off-center hits. This feature is particularly useful for players who are still developing their accuracy, as it helps generate more power and consistency in their shots. The extended 27.75-inch length provides additional reach and leverage, making it easier to generate spin and power on serves and ground strokes. Weighing approximately 8.9 ounces, strung, the T.S6 is one of the lightest rackets available, making it easy to maneuver, especially at the net for volleys and quick reactions. The open string pattern, 16x19, enhances spin potential, allowing players to put more control on their shots while maintaining depth and power. The racket's graphite composite construction ensures a comfortable feel with reduced vibrations, which can help minimize arm strain and discomfort during extended play. This makes the Head T.S6 a great option for players prone to tennis elbow or those who prefer a more arm-friendly racket. Pre-strung and ready to use, the Head T.S6 is a versatile racket that caters to a wide range of playing styles. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use racket or an intermediate player seeking extra power and control, the Head T.S6 delivers an excellent balance of lightweight maneuverability, power, and comfort on the court. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen tennis racket is a high-performance racket designed for power, comfort, and precision, making it an excellent choice for intermediate to advanced players. Known for its enhanced sweet spot and stability, this model continues Yonex's tradition of delivering forgiveness and control without sacrificing power. With a 100 square inch head size, the E-Zone 100 provides a balanced blend of power and maneuverability. Its isometric head shape, a signature Yonex design, expands the sweet spot, allowing for more consistent and powerful shots, even on off-center hits. This makes it a great option for players looking to maximize both power and forgiveness. Weighing 11.2 ounces, strung, the racket offers a solid feel while remaining maneuverable. The standard 27-inch length and 16x19 string pattern help generate ample spin and control, making it an effective choice for both aggressive baseline play and net approaches. One of the standout features of the 7th Gen E-Zone 100 is its updated frame design, incorporating 2G NAM speed technology, which enhances flexibility and energy return for added power. The vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle reduces unwanted vibrations, improving comfort and arm protection, making it a great option for players concerned about arm strain or tennis elbow. Overall, the Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen is a powerful yet comfortable racket that caters to a variety of playing styles. Its large sweet spot, stability, and spin-friendly nature make it ideal for competitive players seeking a blend of power, control, and comfort. Whether you're attacking from the baseline or playing an all-court game, this racket delivers the performance needed to dominate the court. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for players who value precision, spin, and feel. As part of Wilson's Blade series, this racket is favored by competitive players who rely on control and stability to dictate points. With a 98 square inch head size, the Blade 98 provides a smaller sweet spot, which rewards clean ball striking with pinpoint accuracy and a connected feel. The 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential, making it an excellent choice for aggressive players who rely on heavy topspin or precise slices. Weighing approximately 11.3 ounces, strung, this racket offers a solid yet maneuverable feel, allowing for fast swing speeds and excellent control. The thin beam design, 21 mm, adds to its flexibility and responsiveness, giving players a more natural ball connection. The version 9 V9 update introduces FortiFeel technology, which enhances stability and responsiveness, making the racket feel even more solid on contact. Additionally, the Direct Connect handle increases torsional stability, ensuring better energy transfer and control on powerful shots. Players who enjoy attacking the ball with confidence, hitting deep ground strokes, and controlling rallies will appreciate the Blade 98 V9's blend of feel, precision, and spin. While it may not generate as much raw power as larger-headed rackets, it rewards advanced players who prefer a control-oriented weapon with exceptional touch and consistency. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is an elite racket suited for experienced players who want maximum control, enhanced spin potential, and a responsive feel, making it a top choice for competitive tournament-level play. Number 4. Best Tennis Racket for Power. The Solinco Blackout 300 tennis racket is a versatile and performance-driven racket designed for players seeking a blend of control, power, and spin. With a head size of 100 square inches, the Blackout 300 provides a larger sweet spot, offering more forgiveness on off-center hits without sacrificing too much control. Weighing around 300 grams, unstrung, it offers a balanced feel with enough mass for stability while still being maneuverable for fast exchanges at the net and on the baseline. The highly flexible frame enhances comfort and minimizes shock, making it a great option for players seeking a soft yet responsive feel. The 16x19 string pattern on the Blackout 300 ensures an optimal balance between spin potential and control, allowing for aggressive shots with significant topspin and slice. The racket's open string pattern gives players more room for ball pocketing, which helps with spin generation while maintaining solid power on ground strokes. This racket features Solinco's exclusive technology, such as the graphite and polyamide composite construction, providing better stability and durability without adding unnecessary weight. Its headlight balance makes it easier to swing rapidly, improving your speed and maneuverability on both forehands and backhands. The Solinco Blackout 300 is well suited for intermediate to advanced players who prefer a control-oriented racket but want the versatility to mix up spin and power. Its combination of comfort, spin potential, and maneuverability makes it an excellent option for players looking to improve their game and take their performance to the next level. With a focus on precision and playability, the Blackout 300 excels in fast-paced rallies and offers great versatility across all court surfaces. Number 5. Best Tennis Racket for Control. The Wilson ProStaff 97 V14 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket is a top-tier racket designed for advanced players seeking ultimate control, precision, and feel. With a head size of 97 square inches, it offers a slightly smaller sweet spot that enhances accuracy and control, making it ideal for players who rely on placement and shot-making rather than raw power. Weighing 315 grams, unstrung, the ProStaff 97 V14 strikes a perfect balance between stability and maneuverability, providing a solid feel for aggressive players without feeling too heavy or too light. The headlight balance contributes to its quick handling, allowing for fast swings, especially in volley exchanges and reactionary shots. One of the standout features of the ProStaff 97 V14 is its braided graphite and Kevlar construction ***, providing enhanced flexibility and vibration dampening for a smoother, more comfortable feel, especially during intense rallies. This combination offers a responsive yet controlled impact with every strike of the ball, ensuring that even powerful shots remain accurate and consistent. The 16x19 string pattern provides an optimal mix of spin potential and control, making it easier to generate topspin or slice while maintaining the precision needed for aggressive play. Its classic feel and reliable feedback allow for superior shot placement and net play control, making it suitable for players who value advanced shot selection. Designed with Roger Federer's input, the Wilson ProStaff 97 V14 offers exceptional feel and control, making it perfect for players who prioritize accuracy, court awareness, and comfort over power. Its performance-oriented design makes it ideal for players looking to elevate their game and dominate with precision and consistency.